Hey everyone, today we'll show you how to build a feed screen with the Ionic framework and speed things up using the Ionic Design Kit. Let's get started. On the left, we'll explore code snippets from the official Ionic documentation. In the center, check out the layout powered by the Ionic Design Kit. And on the right, watch the phone emulator bring our work to life. Pause the video anytime if you need a closer look. The Ionic Design Kit is like a toolbox for app creators. Designers can simply pick elements they need and drop them into place. No need to build anything from scratch. For developers, all the components come straight from the Ionic framework, so there's no need for complicated coding. The result? Faster workflows and a smooth collaboration between design and development teams. Now, let's talk about the feed screen. This is the heart of social media, news, and content apps. It's that scrollable interface where users discover posts, updates, and other content. A good feed screen isn't just about looks. It keeps users engaged. Features like infinite scrolling, interactive buttons for likes, comments, and shares, and personalized content are key to making it work. Using the Ionic Design Kit, you can design a feed screen that's clean, responsive, and easy for users to navigate, all without breaking a sweat. You can find all the code snippets on our website so you're never stuck. Be sure to check out the rest of our guides for tips on app development and to see how the Ionic Design Kit can streamline your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.